This is Zombie VRM Workbench, an AI-assisted workflow for editing VRM characters in Blender. The demo starts with a simple Japanese request: create Blender-related Python support to change this VRM character's iris color to blue-green. Codex is used as the development partner. It inspects the existing Blender and VRM project context, finds the relevant texture target, and helps turn the natural language request into a concrete, reviewable Python helper. The point is not to hide the edit behind a black box. The workflow keeps the prompt, the generated code, and the visual evidence connected, so the creator can check what changed and why. Here the helper script processes the texture, then the result is reviewed in the Blender side workflow. The before and after evidence shows the eye color change clearly, while preserving the rest of the character's look. GPT 5.6 was used for planning, technical review, documentation, and submission framing. It helped describe the workflow accurately, organize the evidence package, and avoid overstating unfinished functionality. Together, Codex accelerates the implementation loop, while GPT 5.6 helps keep the project understandable, auditable, and ready for judges.